Here we want to write an equation of the line that passes through the point -1, -4, and is perpendicular to the line y equals 2x plus 5. This line has a slope equal to 2. Our line will have a slope equal to the negative reciprocal of that slope. We can check that these two lines will be perpendicular by taking the product of their slopes. And if that's equal to -1, which it is, the lines are perpendicular. So now we have the slope of our line, we have a point on the line. We can use the point-slope form of the equation for a straight line and substitute in the point that we're given. So -1 will be our x sub 1 and -4 will be our y sub 1. Substituting these points in gives us y minus -4 equals the slope we just determined times x minus -1. This is the same as y plus 4 equals -1/2 times the quantity x plus 1. Simplifying, we get y plus 4, and we'll distribute the -1/2 to have -1/2 times x minus 1/2. Then subtracting 4 from both sides, which is the same as subtracting 8/2 from both sides, we have our equation. And that's y equals -1/2 x minus 9/2. So the slope of our line is -1/2, and the vertical intercept is -9/2. Now we can check if these two lines are perpendicular using our graphing calculator. So in y equal, I'll put the first equation, 2x plus 5 for y1. And the other equation, the one that's perpendicular to that, will be -1/2 x minus 9/2. When we graph these, you notice that our lines do not look perpendicular, and that is because the scale on the two axes are different. Notice the y tick marks are closer together than the x tick marks. So what we'll do is hit the zoom button and select zoom square, which makes the scales on the axes identical. And here we have a check that our lines, in fact, are perpendicular.